was so captivating and so interesting. My favorite part was obviously the Beijing Opera performance. It was just so amazing. Like her expression, the theatricness, like the performers being on stage and having a different perspective. And also just like all the details, like learning about the ingredients in the drinks, in the bar area, the different colors and what that means in Beijing Opera.
You guys had a nice write-up in Time Out magazine, which is how we found out about it. And we thought,
we don't get to see anything like this that also has like a very modern vibe to it.
Yeah.
And it's accessible to us who are not that familiar with Chinese culture. This was fun.
So I mean, when we read the description, we thought this could be it. The visuals that we saw, the acting that we saw, plus like even the drinks that we had, like being able to see that thread throughout the whole thing.
I think I like the color with the mirror and then the story. I thought it was quite nice, and I think I also like the cocktail.
It's very nice, very novel. I mean, if you had asked me, to come and see Chinese opera, I probably would have been a little bit reluctant. I've been in Hong Kong for a while and seeing all those neons. But it's a modern way to show the traditional characters. And of course the cocktails.
As I immerse myself in the Western culture and learning about cultures from all over the world, I also became curious about my own culture and heritage and realized that I actually know so little. And the more I discover and the more I dive deep into the culture and heritage, the more I became fascinated and the more I'm convinced that there's so much beauty that deserve to be shared with more people around the world. So that's why we started CulturedGen. The goal is to take traditional arts and culture and turn them into modern day experiences. They're immersive, interactive, and stimulates all five senses. So we really want to reach new audience and reach more people that knew so little about Chinese culture.
Born in China, I started like Chinese traditional choreography since I was 5, so I get into a lot of traditional culture. But since I started abroad, like I feel like very strong. The sense is moving away from me, but I still really like it, want to explore more.
Being an Indonesian Chinese, I feel that we are lacking in this culture, and I want my kids to know about Chinese cultures, about the traditions. I don't want these traditions and cultures to disappear.